Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 23 Hardwood Hill Road, an Architectural Digest inspired dream home in Pittsford.
This is an outstanding contemporary home with a rare location, adjacent to Crescent Trail Parkland. So let's take a tour.
This is open contemporary living with a stunning great room featuring a designer white and bright kitchen with marble countertops, a breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances. Open to a dining area with deck access and a living area with a wood-burning fireplace, all with cathedral ceilings. Leading to a formal dining room with beautiful hardwood floors and an adjacent family room with cathedral ceilings and a wall of windows with scenic nature views. The first floor also features a powder room, laundry, and an office with hardwood floors and elevated views.
Just off the staircase is a whole nother level featuring 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 of which are suites, including a private master with a walk-in closet, updated bathroom, and scenic views. This architect-designed contemporary home has simple, clean lines with expansive windows. Situated in a rare 3/4-acre hillside setting adjacent to Crescent Trail Parkland.
Enjoy everything nature has to offer with this expansive 2-tiered deck with scenic wooded views.
This sought-after private location has Pittsford schools, Town of Perrington taxes, and cost-efficient Fairport Electric. Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 23 Hardwood Hill Road in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!